Good morning, students of class 10. Today we are going to learn about the structure of the heart, a very important for ICC exam. So before learning this, we need to know the position of the heart. Where is it located? It is located in the center of the chest cavity and is maximum tilted towards the left side. Right, so location is it's located in the center of the chest cavity and maximum tilted towards the left side. Now let us go to the structure. The size of a heart is comparable to the size of your fist. Right, it is enclosed by a protective membrane known as pericardium. Okay, a layer, this layer. Two pericardial fluid, you can see the green one, this is known as the two pericardial layers, and between these layers are present two pericardial layers. Okay, and in between these layers are present pericardial fluid. So why do we require pericardial fluid? To prevent any damage to the heart due to friction. So you have pericardial layers, in between them you have the pericardial fluid that helps to prevent the heart or to damage the heart due to friction. Heart has 4 chambers. Alright, so 2 auricles or atrium. This is right auricle marked in blue, left auricle that is marked in red, and 2 ventricles we have over here, right ventricle and left ventricle over here. The 4 chambers, okay, the 2 chambers we have, as we come to know that heart has 4 chambers. The layers of the heart has been divided by important layer that is known as septum. The atria or the atrium are smaller and thinner than the ventricle. That's why the shape, look at the blue, it's a little bit smaller than the right hand side, than the left ventricle. Left ventricle is thicker, and another name for left ventricle is myocardium, because most of the blood, because the blood has to go to great distance from here to the body, okay, through the left ventricle. So it is divided into by a layer that is known as septum. Atria are smaller than the muscular ventricles. Left ventricle, another name for that is myocardium, is thicker than the right ventricle. The reason is that it moves the blood to great distances in the body. We have the anterior, another name for that is superior vena cava, that carries deoxygenated blood from head to the heart. We have inferior vena cava or post vena cava, posterior vena cava, that carries blood from the lower part of the region to the heart. Now let us come to know about the valves. There are 4 valves. That is 2 valves separating the atria and the ventricles. So we have bicuspid valve or mitral valve on the left side. Another name for this is left atrioventricular valve. we have tricuspid valve on the right side. Another name for that is right atrioventricular valve. Now we have two valves exiting the ventricles. First one is aortic semilunar valve exiting the right ventricle. Pulmonary semilunar valve are also known as, alright, so this one aortic, pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve exiting the left ventricle. Now very important, we have a thread-like thing over here. Can you see? It's marked. So it is known as chordae tendineae. Okay, how you pronounce it. The main function is to hold the valves, okay, bicuspid and tricuspid valves in their places. Okay, so this tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves you are going to learn in detail in the next when we are doing the circulation of blood. So this is all about the structure of heart.